Yo, guys, it is looking really scary next year. And I'm going ahead and make this video today to pre-warn you guys to get ready to literally spend all your money on these releases. Because Jordan Brand said, you know what? We didn't took a little, backseat with the releases this year. I feel like this year is probably one of the worst years in a while in terms of all the sneakers Jordan Brand has dropped. Overall for the community, I think we did get some dope sneakers. But for Jordan Brand specifically, they took a little step back. And then next year, bruh, man, I'm scared for myself. There's so many bangers coming out that I know I'm going to grab. But more and most importantly, got confirmed just yesterday. Shout out to Z Sneakerhead, shout out to Sneaker Files, that we'll be getting these joints. It's going to change the game, bro. It's going to bring back that hype. We got to talk about today's video, man. Let's get right to it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It's greatly appreciated for you guys to pull up. Come see what your boy Devin is talking about. And today, it's going to be a bit much more lengthier video. A bit much more. I don't know if that makes sense. But we're going to talk for a little minute because it is a lot of stuff happening in this sneaker community in 2025. And I'm super excited. If you guys are new here and you or if you're just about to start buying shoes going into the end of the year, because I feel like every December it's a new wave of like sneakerheads because it's surrounded by that Jordan 11. I'm telling you, bro, it don't matter what happens, everybody comes and buys a pair of Jordan 11s. For like December time frame is when people start, entertain themselves with sneakers. It's gonna be a whole new wave. So again, man, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop. And tomorrow, bro, I got something for y'all. Trust me, I got some pressure for y'all. Got to unbox some things. Can't wait to show y'all what we got. But today, man, this is important because I need all you guys' input on the topic of today's video. Leave a huge like. Them likes go a long way. IG always link down below. If you need to hit me up, ask me a question. But yeah, let's talk about what's going on with Nike and Jordan Brand, man. All right, like I said, man, shouts out to Z Sneakerheads and Sneaker Files. They've been going crazy this year. First, we got the news about the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues, or not Legend Blues, Gammas, sorry. Everybody wanted the Gammas to come out. Instead, we got the cap and gowns. Last year we got the Gratitudes, and then this year we did get the Legend Blues, which we did just do a full review on Feed Over, so make sure you guys go tap into that. They will be releasing in a couple of days. I cannot wait to do a vlog, checking things out, see what the release date calls. Like, let's see what happens that day. But we got the news that the Gammas are officially coming out in 2025. I am super excited, but we also got some even crazier news, and this is going to bring back that hype for the Air Jordan 1s, and that is the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Low. And if you guys do not know, man, the last time we got a Chicago, like a legit Chicago OG release, was back in like 2014 or 2015, and ever since then we didn't got, some mids with a little couple different differences in the color, and we did get the lost and found Air Jordan 1s. I love these things. I done beat this pair up. I can't wear it no more because I need to hold off until we get the OG 2 release. But we will be getting the Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago. And y'all probably like, yo, is he telling the Chicago 1 is going to bring back the hype for the Jordan 1? Trust me when I say, bro, when them Chicago Lows come out, it's going to look similar to the Black Toe release. You guys remember the Black Toe release? They did a shock drop on those. The hype, the love for the shoe came out of nowhere. Them things were moving. I'm talking about they were moving. People said they're going to sit there. Next thing you know, there were no pairs available. So just imagine that Black Toe hype, which was super low this year. And then, going into 2025, we're going to be getting the Chicago 1 Low. Yes, the Chicago's, bro. I feel like this is the best shoe of all time, in my opinion. I know it's all opinionated, subjective, but to me, the Chicago's hold a lot of weight, and they're gonna drop it in a low. Y'all ask me, like, how is it gonna bring back the hype, bro? The Jordan 1 Low Chicago's are going to prove to everybody that no matter how many times something does drop, people are going to go crazy over it. And that's when all the opportunists, the resellers, are going to probably try to hike back up the market in terms of the Jordan 1s. Not only are we getting the Jordan 1 Low Chicago's, we'll be getting the Air Jordan 1 Low Obsidians. The Obsidians, super crazy. Love them things. Regret I did have to let them go. they're going for a pretty penny. I had to let them go, you feel me? But I did have to let them go. But we will be getting the lows next year, which I'm cool with. Lows, I'm cool with the lows, along with two crazy Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows. We got this mocha brown colorway coming out in a couple of weeks, and then we do have another colorway with like a navy blue Nike check. Super dope. I love them, man. It's just super hard to obtain some of these Travis Scott sneakers, especially with him now putting his hand more into the releases and making it damn near impossible to get his shoes. But you guys can check them out on the screen. And we will be getting a Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan 1 low. Like, yo, I'm telling y'all, bro. When I tell y'all the lows are about to go crazy, the OG low cut, people are going to go bananas. And I'm calling it right now. That's why I had to make this video. So I said, yo, we really getting Chicago lows. We made a video like 2-3 weeks ago, or probably like 2-3 months ago now, about the Chicago 1 rumors coming out. And then we got the official word, bruh. Then we got the word about the Gammas. Then we got the word about the flu games. Then we got the word about these Air Jordan 10 shadows. I'm like, bruh, it is getting ridiculous. I've never seen a lineup like this in forever. I don't remember the last year that, that me buying sneakers, what I'm saying? Me being an adult, me buying kicks, me seeing what's coming out. It has never been a year like this to where we getting Chicago 1 lows, Air Jordan 4 white cements, flu games, Gammas. Like, I can go on. And not to mention, we'll be getting the Taxi 12s. Bro, it's not even it. Black metallics. I can go on and on about what's going on in 2025, and just the more I say the shoes, the more I hear dollar signs, because I am getting all the shoes I just mentioned, and it's more, bro. It's just more. And so since I did mention a couple of Air Jordan 4s already, next year we'll also be getting the undefeated, the Black Cats, which I do have somewhere behind me. Let me go ahead and grab the Black Cats. You guys remember what these Black Cat guys did back in 2020? The resale was just crazy. This shoe set. I could have bought like 6-7 pairs of these. Then the following 2 weeks after the drop, they were going for a crazy amount of money, and they're still going for a pretty penny. Got my pair in good condition, but it ain't about keeping it in good condition. I actually wore these a lot of times, but with it being all black, you can't tell. I love them. But we'll be getting the Black Cat 4s next year, along with these SB colorways. It's like a red and a blue SB. Of course, the green SB4 started off, but we're getting a couple more colorways, and bruh, I can keep going on and on. But I know you guys definitely catch my drift. You know what I'm trying to say. And when it comes to the Jordan 1s, I think next year it's going to get that spark back up. And I definitely think Travis Scott's going to help boost it up in terms of all the lows that we will be getting. So y'all watch out for the lows. It's going to be a crazy year. We get some heaters. We get some bangers. Don't miss out. Don't sleep, because next thing you know, things gonna be going, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. If you guys are new here, make sure you sub up, hit the notification bell, leave a huge like on today's video. Them likes go a long way, man. I'm gonna ask y'all 100 times throughout the video. Need y'all to run them likes up. We try to go crazy in 2025 with the content. Want to implement a lot of new things, but in order for me to do that, hey, I need you guys' help. Need y'all to smack that like button. And there's a lot of people watching their living room, bro. Help your boy the vintage out, man. Again, man, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. With all that's been said, get ready to spend that money in 2025. It's gonna be going at that account very, very soon, because Jordan Brand ain't playing with us, man. Peace.